Hi everybody, today is a very exciting day because today we are launching the third book in the series with lots of free stuff, lots of giveaways. So this is the book, 30 Noodles. It's all about the most famous dishes like spaghetti and pad thai and farfalle. And we're going to have a huge launch event on May 18th. And in a second, I'm going to tell you all about it. You've seen the first two books in the series, Mission Raw, the Craving book. This is how to make pizza and burgers and ice cream in the raw vegan way. 100 smoothies. This is the detox book. And now we're going to talk about the launch. So, May 18th, save the date, 12 Eastern time. We're going to have a webinar. Now, everything that I say on this video, all the information, it's all on rawmunchies.org/30 noodles launch. Okay, that's rawmunchies.org/30 noodles launch right here. And all the email addresses I say, everything I'm saying, it's all in there. Okay, so on the webinar, we're going to talk about the raw vegan diet. I'm going to tell you my own personal story and I'm going to answer some questions. So that's that. Now, anyone who buys the book on launch day, that's May 18th, is going to get 12 vegetarian sauces, which is a raw vegan sauce book. It's an ebook. It's available on Amazon. You're going to get it for free. A printout organizer for daily meals and shopping lists. A fridge list called Revolutionize Your Kitchen, which is a cute kind of checklist on how to revolutionize your kitchen. And 3 recipes from the next book, 50 salads. All you have to do is send us either your print or your order number to 30noodles@gmail.com. Again, this email is on 30 Noodles launch on the website, so you get all the information that I'm talking about right there. Okay, now for 14 days up to the launch, we're going to have a blog going on, and we're going to be answering all the basic questions about raw vegan, like does it anti-age? Yes, it does. Losing weight, becoming healthy, exercise, so all that on the 14-day blog. And the free signed copy is going to go to the best answer at rawmunchies.org/burning questions. I want to know what you guys think about this diet. I want to know what are your questions to me, what are your questions to Raw Munchies, to cooking, to raw vegan. So it's on here, and the best question is going to get a free signed copy of the book. Okay. I'm about to show you a couple of pictures from the book, and you've already seen a bit of a promo. So we did 2 recipes from the book. That's the kelp noodle salad and the farfalle. And there's a bonus recipe which is also on this channel, which is kind of recipe number 31, which is the meatballs, because you could basically add meatballs to anything. So it's all exciting. I'll show you a couple of pictures, and I'll see you in the next 2 videos, which I'll introduce the questions for week 1 of the blog and week 2 of the blog. So it's all very exciting. Don't forget, it's all on rawmunchies.org/30 noodles launch. I'll see you there.